Hello everyone, I am Shilpa Halvar. In the first session, I have explained you how to draw the plan of a school building. So they have given the line diagram. According to that line diagram with a scale of 1:100, I have drawn the plan. So again in this they have given the details as foundation details, that is 1 meter wide and 1 meter deep with concrete bed, 1:4:8 and 200 thick. The concrete bed thickness is 200 and two courses of the size stone masonry they have given, that is cement mortar 1:8 and the depth of each course is 400 and width of 800 and 600 the size stone masonry width. Then the basement they have given, that is dressed size stone masonry in the cement mortar 1:6, that is 450 wide and 600 depth, includes the 150 PCC, that is 1:3:6. Okay, this is the whole thing is foundation details. Next they have given the superstructure details, that is the burnt brick masonry in cement mortar 1:6 of 300 thick for all walls, and RCC roof slab is 150 thick of cement concrete 1:2:4 at 3200 ceiling height, and the sill is 100 thick of PCC 1:3:6. Provide the WPC thickness suitably. So next is the granite flooring 20 thick over a CC bed of 1:4:8 of 100 thickness. Again they have given the chajja details, that is RCC chajja 600 wide and 150 thick at support and 80 at free end. Okay, so this is whole thing about the chajja. Then they have given the parapet wall, that is the burnt brick in cement mortar 1:6, 600 height parapet wall and 300 thick. So next is the steps provided suitable for the rise and tread. See here, this for the steps they have asked, they told you to assume the rise and tread. So for the public buildings generally we will take the rise as 150 to 170. So here I will take 150 and the tread I will take it is 300 Okay, so this is I am assuming the rise and tread of the steps. Okay, and again they have given the opening details, that is door size, main door and sub doors and window, ventilators and the corridor width. Okay, so according to this given data, so I have drawn the plan. See here, this is the plan. In the previous section I have explained you how to draw the plan. So but in this plan I have not shown the plinth line and the steps. Okay, so what I have to do here now, so now you show the plinth line. See, plinth line usually from the outer line of the wall, so from that line to the plinth line thickness is 3 inch. 3 inch if you want to convert it into a meter, 1 inch is equal to 25 1 inch equal to 25 Okay, so according to that 3 inch means 75 So if you are converting it into a meter means 75 divided by 1000, you will get 0.075 meter. So according to that what you have to do, take a scale and from here the scale is 1:100. So that's why your thickness is how much, you will get 0.1 centimeter. Okay, so from the outer edge of the point, so mark the line here, that is plinth line. Okay, so based on this you should draw the plinth line. See here, I will draw the plinth line. Okay, so draw the plinth line. First draw a light line. Okay, light line. Okay, okay, so next from here also 1 meter, 0.1 meter, just mark it and draw the plinth line. Okay, just draw the 0.1 meter plinth line. Okay, similarly this side mark the 0.1 meter. Okay, from here up to this point just draw it. just draw the plinth line. From here again take the 0.1 meter. Okay, draw the line. Okay, similarly here, okay, in this point just draw the plinth line. Okay, so after drawing the plinth line, what you have to do, just show the steps, means entrance to the school building. See, this is the first entrance. I'll show here in the line diagram. They have shown you entrance in the two sides. See, this is the first entrance and this one is the second entrance. Okay, so I will show here 1.5 meter is the rise, 0.15 meter. Okay, so convert it into a meter. 150 mm is there, then convert it into 0.15, so up to here. Okay, so show the 3 steps. 0.15, 0.15, again 3 means 4.5 up to this much. Okay, so similarly here show the width of the steps. Okay, show the steps. Take the rise is 150 and tread is 300. Okay, so mark the lines. Okay, similarly this side draw the steps, point from this plinth line, 1 2 3. Okay, so much like this.